How are you everybody? How are you my dear student? We will now explain very important multiple choice question about SPSS in your computer. This question related to your program SPSS. The first question, you must notice that what is the advantage of using SPSS over calculating statistics by hand? There are more advantages for statistical package for social science appreciated by SPSS rather than statistics and calculation of measures by hand. The first letter, it helps you with a useful transferable skill. It reduces the chance of making errors in your calculations. Many researchers use SPSS as it is a recognized software package. All of the above. The answer must be letter D. All of the above, because SPSS helps us with a transferable skill, reduces the chance of error in handling calculation. Okay, number 2. In SPSS, what is the data view window? What is the main purpose of data view window? A table summarizing the frequencies of data for one variable, a spreadsheet which is visible when you first open the data editor and this sheet contains the data. Letter C, a spreadsheet which contains information about the dataset that is stored with the dataset. Letter D, otherwise. You must notice that what is the main definition, what is the main description of data view. When you go back to the previous lectures, you can find the description, the explanations, the definition of data view is compatible by a spreadsheet which is visible when you first open the data editor and this sheet contains the data. Letter C, in SPSS, what is the variable view? This is as number 2. What is the main value? What is the main description? What is the main definition of variable view? Letter A, a table summarizing the frequencies of data for one variable. A spreadsheet which is visible when you first open the data editor and this sheet contains data. Letter C, a spreadsheet which contains information about the dataset that is stored with the dataset. Otherwise, letter D. Your answer must be letter C. Obviously, a spreadsheet which contains information after you entering your data in data view, you must put the description of this data in variable view. This description called information. So that letter C is the good answer, is the true answer. A spreadsheet which contains information about the dataset that is stored with the dataset. Number 4. What is the meaning of variable coding? You must know what variable coding mean. Letter A, it is shorter and less detailed. It is longer and more detailed. It is abstract and unspecific. It refers to codes rather than the variable. This is the meaning of variable coding. Variable coding means transfer every variable, every information to codes rather than the variable. So that the correct answer must be letter D. What is the SPSS means? This is the abbreviation of what? SPSS. It is a statistical package for social science, or it is a statistical package for solutions. It is predictive analytical software, or otherwise it's very obviously it is statistical package for social science. Number 6, what is the BASW means? The abbreviation BASW. It is a statistical package for social science, statistical package for solution. It is predictive analytical software, otherwise it must be letter C. It is predictive analytical software. Number 7, SPSS was founded in 1968, 1988, 1998, otherwise 1968. It's very clearly. Number 8, SPSS is now fully integrated into IBM company, Macintosh company, Dell company, otherwise the owner of SPSS now it's IBM company. So that your answer must be letter A. What are the all main windows in SPSS? Data viewer, variable viewer, output viewer, all of the above. All windows in SPSS must be data view, variable view, and output viewer, so that your answer must be letter D, all of the above. Number 10, select the window where the results of your analysis appear. Data view, variable view, output viewer, letter D, otherwise. All of the output in SPSS must be detailed in output viewer, so that your answer must be letter C. In SPSS program, this is number 11, don't forget to save data file, output file, both A and B, otherwise in SPSS and in Word and Microsoft Office you must save all entering data in data file and output file, so that your answer must be letter C. SPSS output contains, this is number 12, SPSS output contains separate file in output viewer, inline editing of tables, chart editor for graphs, all of the above. The output in SPSS must contain output viewer, inline editing of tables, chart editor for graphs, so that your answer must be letter D, all of the above. Number 13, which menu item is used to create the statistics graph? It's very obviously graphs. Graph menu, data menu, transfer menu, analyze menu. Graphs must be found in graph menu, so that your answer must be letter A, graph menu. 14, the name of variable is the first character and it must be entered in. This is all the description about variable view. The name of the variable is the first character and it must be entered in variable view window, data viewer, separate sheet, otherwise your answer must be letter A, variable view window. 15, the type of variable is the second character and it must be entered in variable view, data viewer window, separate sheet, otherwise this is the second character, the second contained in variable view window, so that your answer must be variable view window. Number 16, the width of the variable is the third character and it must be entered in variable view window, data viewer window, separate sheet, otherwise this is the third column in variable view window, so that your answer must be variable view window, also letter A. 17, The decimal of the variable is the fourth character and it must be entered in variable view window, data viewer window, separate sheet, otherwise letter A must be the right answer. Variable view window. This is the fourth contained in variable view window. The label of the variable is the fifth character and it must be entered in. Also the same answer in variable view window, not in data viewer, not in spreadsheet, not in letter D, so that your answer must be letter A, variable view window. The values of the variable is the sixth character and it must be entered in variable view window, data viewer, spreadsheet, otherwise it must be found in variable view window. 20, number 20, you must click dot or dot for not missing your entered data. Save, letter A, letter B, save as, letter C, both A and B, letter D, otherwise it must be both A and B, save or save as. 21, to save your entered data in SPSS you must click file and then click save as, click data and then sort data, sort cases, both in B and B, otherwise letter D, you must click file and then save as, so that your answer must be letter A. It is the correct answer. 22, to sort your entered data in SPSS you must sorting, ordering, click file and then click save as, click data and then click sort cases, letter C both A and B, letter D, otherwise it must be letter C both A and B. No, it must be letter B, click data and then click sort cases. This is ordering. Ordering the data descending and ascending SPSS can be achieved by click file and then click save as, click data and then click sort cases, both A and B, otherwise it must be the same answer, letter B, click data and then click sort cases. 24, transforming the data in SPSS can be achieved by click transform and then click compute variable, click data and then click compute variable, both A and B, otherwise transforming the data in SPSS can be achieved by click transform and then click compute variable, letter A. It must be the correct answer. Thank you for everybody. See you in the next lecture.